Of the thousands of U.S. military and civilians sent to West Africa, Samantha Power is the highest ranking and the highest profile. Before leaving for Guinea, the UN ambassador said she wanted to increase the pressure on other countries to provide more doctors, beds, and money to fight Ebola. But Power also criticized the new mandatory quarantine protocols that 3 U.S. states, New York, New Jersey, and Illinois, have imposed on returning medical volunteers. She called them, quote, haphazard and not well thought out.
All of us need to make clear what these health workers mean to us and how much we value their service, how much we value their contribution. We need to encourage more. We need many more than are going right now. And we need to find a way when they come home that they are treated like conquering heroes and not stigmatized for the tremendous work that they have done.
American nurse Casey Hickox, who's been placed under a 21-day quarantine, said she was, quote, made to feel like a criminal when she returned from West Africa, even though she's shown no symptoms. In a statement, her employer, Doctors Without Borders, said, while measures to protect public health are of paramount importance, they must be balanced against the rights of health workers returning from fighting the Ebola outbreak in West Africa to fair and reasonable treatment and the full disclosure of information to them. The mayor of New York City, Bill de Blasio, also said the quarantine orders could discourage aid workers from volunteering in Africa. But the governors of New York and New Jersey have defended their state's tighter protocols, which go beyond the isolation guidelines issued by the federal Centers for Disease Control and Prevention.
These actions that we're taking jointly today, I believe, are necessary to protect the public health of the people of New Jersey and New York, and it builds on what we've already been doing at the state level in both states.
Christie, a potential presidential contender in 2016, and Cuomo, who's running for re-election, may be suspected of political motives, but a national poll by The Economist finds that 72% of Americans surveyed favor quarantining anyone who's recently returned from the Ebola-stricken countries in West Africa. Tom Ackerman, Al Jazeera, Washington.